Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do front brake pads on a 2015 Toyota Camry with a 2.5 liter engine. First thing you want to do is pretty much take off this cap so the brake fluid has somewhere to go, and also already put the parking brake down. And now we're gonna jack up the car. That's the clearance I got. There we go. Let's see if I can push this in. Yep. Okay. Next, you gotta take off 5 21mm lug nuts. Now remove the wheel. Nope. Here we go. To the side, and now I'm gonna turn the wheel so you guys can see better. I'm gonna remove these two 14mm, one on top and there's one on the bottom. There's one, two. And that way you can see the brake pads. These are the pins. Let's see what these look like. Yeah, they're semi-metallics. Customers complaining that the car's squealing. Is that the actual pad? And then, yes. And this is the semi-metallics. You can see like the penny color in it. And there's a lot of rust around here too. And next you take off these two 17mm. On the bottom. And the other one's up here. And now we're going to clean off this caliper bracket. All right, next I want to take off these guide pins. There we go. The top one. And here's the bottom one. Then once you do that, you're going to move the brake hardware. And then we're going to clean this up. Now let's clean this off. Let that dry. We're gonna get all the old brake lube off these guide pins. One. Here's the other one. And now that we cleaned off this brake caliper, take your anti-seize. Dab it. Don't put too much on. Go. Same thing on this side. There you go. Now you take your hardware. There we go. Just place your hardware on. 1 second. Here we go. Just one. 2. Just gonna go up here. 3. And 4. Make sure it's facing towards the outside, not the inside. See, they're all towards the outside and not the inside. And now you add lube to these guide pins. Light them out. The bottom. And here's the top one. Alright, now this done. And next we're going to push in this piston. Here you go. Just clean her up. Spray. And after you do that, we're going to let her dry. And we're going to clean her up. Take our brake lube. Going to apply it to the caliper here. And also here. And then the face of the piston. All right. There we go. Both 17s. Start by hand. There we go. Tighten these down. Now we can put our pads on the brake caliper bracket. Place it like so. Add pads in there. You take this pad, place it the exact same way. Hold it from the center, like so. And do the same thing to the bottom. Line a hole like so. And now take your caliper. There you go. Pushing your guide pins. Look like I had to switch the pins. And you hand thread. And tighten these down. Both 14s. Got some nice play there. Alright, after you do that, clean it off one more time. Get your hands out the way. And next we're going to put the wheel on. Okay. Here we go. And just hand thread These 5 21 millimeters. Tighten these down. Alright. And now you do the same thing to the other side, and I'll see you guys on the test drive. Alright, and after you do that, you want to shut the hood, close the reservoir, and you want to pump the brakes so it firms up. Alright, I'm going to take the handbrake off, put it in drive, clean off the steering wheel. Okay. Feels good. I don't hear any squealing. All right, time to head back. And there you go. Now you know how to do front brakes on a 2015 Toyota Camry. And always remember, for better, faster service, QuickFix Auto.